Parents, does your child struggle with impulsivity, focus, or hyperactivity? If so, you're not alone. Approximately 11.4% of children in the United States have been diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. But what if there was more to the story than just a deficit or a disorder? What if, by understanding the root cause of ADHD and providing the right care and support, we could help these incredible kids unlock their full potential? This video is for parents of children who have been diagnosed with ADHD or are experiencing symptoms of inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. If you've been searching for answers and want to explore a holistic, drug-free approach to managing ADHD, then this video is for you. We're going to dive into the latest research on ADHD's neurological basis and introduce a groundbreaking approach to managing ADHD symptoms and maximizing your child's strengths. You'll learn about the perfect storm theory, which explains how a combination of factors can lead to neurological imbalances that manifest as ADHD. Most importantly, you'll discover how neurologically focused chiropractic care can help address these underlying issues and unlock your child's full potential. Did you know that up to 50% of children with ADHD also have anxiety and other mental health issues? These co-occurring conditions can make diagnosis and treatment even more challenging for families. Many parents feel like they've tried everything, from medication to therapy, but are still searching for answers and a more comprehensive approach to their child's care. ADHD is not just a chemical imbalance. It's a complex neurodevelopmental disorder with roots in neurological dysfunction. The perfect storm theory that we mentioned suggests that a combination of factors, including maternal stress, birth interventions, antibiotic overuse, and developmental trauma, can create neurological imbalances that manifest as ADHD symptoms. Conventional ADHD diagnosis relies on symptom checklists and behavioral observations, failing to capture the underlying neurological issues driving the disorder. Stimulant medications used in conventional ADHD treatment have potential side effects and long-term impacts on the brain structure and function. Neurologically focused chiropractic care, we use cutting-edge technology called insight scans to identify the areas of neurological dysfunction and guide personalized drug-free treatment plans. The autonomic nervous system, particularly the vagus nerve, plays a crucial role in attention behavior and regulation, and it's often imbalanced in children with ADHD. By addressing subluxation and nerve interference, neurologically focused chiropractic care helps restore balance to the nervous system, allowing children with ADHD to thrive. To put all of this science together, we love to measure the regulation of your child's autonomic nervous system with an EMG scan. That stands for electromyograph. This scan simply shows us the sensory and movement patterns that the brain is receiving from the body. Almost 100% of the time, kids that struggle with ADHD symptoms or a busy brain all have two things in common. The first is too much energy fueling the brain, and the second is confusing and uncoordinated energy communication to the brain. So let's show you a scan. Here is an example of an EMG scan from a child that was having focus and attention issues. Being able to see this objectively is such a game changer because it can be as simple as too much energy input equals a hyperactive, fast lack of focus or attention in the response. There are two numbers I want you to see here. The first number is that pattern score, which is in the middle. We can see that that is a lower number. We're in the 20s as a percentage. What that tells me is that coordinated or confusing energy communication to the brain. That percentage is the amount of communication that is efficiently getting to and from the brain. We want that number to be somewhere in the 80s or 90s. The next number that I want you to look at is the one all the way to the right, and it's the total energy number. That number should be somewhere between 100 and 150. When we have more energy in the system, that's when we have too much energy fueling the brain because the system's trying to figure things out. We want that number to be lower so that there's efficient energy to the brain, and then the rest of the energy can go to healing the body. At Generations Chiropractic, we believe that every child deserves the opportunity to reach their full potential. And if you're ready to experience the difference of neurologically focused chiropractic care for your child with ADHD, we invite you to take the first step today. Visit our website or give us a call to schedule an in-depth consultation and insight scans. Our team of compassionate and experienced chiropractors will work with you to develop a personalized care plan that addresses your child's unique needs and goals. Together, we can help your child unlock their inner superhero and thrive in all the areas of life. Don't wait. Take action now and give your child the gift of optimal neurological health and well-being.